So in this tutorial we're just going to look at how to insert some views into a drawing. So you can see we're going to end up with these line views here. So they're not shaded, they're just line drawings. So let's get on with the tutorial. We need to set our working directory to the appropriate place. So in this case it's Drawing Views General. So let's do that. Drawing Views General. Okay. And we're going to load in the drawing that's in there. It's the General Views drawing that we need, so it's this one here. So let's load that one in. You can see that we've just been given a sheet format here. That's already been set up for us. And this drawing's already been attached to a part file, so this shaft part. If you haven't already, you want to disable all your datums, so we don't need those on. So we're just going to place a general view. So if you go up to the model views area up here and just click on general. So we don't want to select any special states that have been saved for this file. So we'll just hit OK there. And then wherever I click on the sheet, this general view will get dropped there. So I'm just going to click near the center of the sheet. You can see I get a little preview of what that view is going to look like. And then we've got various options in this drawing view window that we can change now. So we're just going to have a look at a few of those. So there's the ability to name these views, so they get these default names, but we can put any names that we find more descriptive in there. So I've just called this shaft side. And then you can see that the standard model views that were saved when this part was modelled are available down here. So if we just select a few of those, if we select front and hit apply, the view in the main window here doesn't quite update properly, but if you just click on this repaint option, it redraws the main window. So you can see that we're looking at the shaft from the front there, and then we've got the other standard orientations in here. So we've got left as well, so you can see that it's rotating round to the other side of the part, and then I think we're going to insert this one as a right hand view. So if you select right and just hit OK, that's our first view inserted. So we're just going to place a second view. There's a slightly different way of doing this. You can either access it again from up here. You could click on General and it would take you through the same process. That's fine. Or if you want to do that a bit quicker, you can right click somewhere in the in fact, you've got to deselect this view. You can see this view is still selected because it's highlighted in green. If you just click somewhere on the sheet, you've now deselected the view. Now if you right click to get the menu and insert general view. So that's just another way, slightly quicker than having to move your mouse pointer up here and click on general, but it does the same thing. So we'll click on OK, put another view up here, and let's see what we're going to insert here. So we've got the default orientation, which is what we've got there now. We'll just double check that. Yep. And then we've got an orientation saved in with this part file called 3D. Let's see what that one looks like. So that's essentially an isometric view, but from slightly different angle. But I think we'll go with the default. So we'll select default and then hit OK. And we get that view up in the right hand corner there.